Good morning to all. Today our chapter is inverse trigonometry function. Inverse trigonometric. You know trigonometric function, different types of trigonometric function that we have done in 11 trigonometric function. And today our chapter is inverse trigonometric function. What is that? Inverse trigonometric function is nothing but let sine theta is equal to x. Let sine theta is equal to x. Sine theta means such as sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 means pi by 6. Sine pi by 6 equal to how much? 1 by 2. This is the example. Means sine theta is equal to, means theta is the angle, x is the value. That means sine theta is equal to some value will get. Theta is the angle. Example, sine 5 by 6 means 30 degree equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, if you will convert sine theta is equal to x into theta, then theta will be equal to how much? Sine will be go there. Theta is equal to sine inverse. Sine to the power minus 1, sine inverse x. This is the notation. Inverse trigonometric function theta is equal to sine inverse x. Sin theta equal to x means theta is equal to sine inverse x. Same process. Here you can write pi by 6 is equal to sine inverse 1 by 2. That means sine inverse 1 by 2 equal to how much? Sine inverse 1 by 2 means sine inverse, the value given for which angle, this will be 1 by 2, no? 30 degree, and pi by 6. This is the way of trigonometric function and inverse trigonometric function related to each other. Therefore, sine inverse x is what? Sine theta. That means sine inverse sine theta is equal to how much? Theta. Sine inverse sine theta is equal to theta. Theta is equal to sine inverse x. Just x is writing, x is what? Sine theta. That means sine inverse sine theta is equal to theta. Same process, other trigonometry ratio. Cos inverse cos theta equal to how much? Theta. There are 6 trigonometry ratio is there. Tan inverse tan theta equal to how much? Theta. Same process you tell. Cosec inverse cosec theta is equal to theta. And sec inverse sec theta equal to theta. Cot inverse cot theta also equal to theta. There are 6 T ratios, trigonometric ratio. Sin inverse sin theta equal to theta. How we are getting? First of all, sin theta is equal to x, then theta is equal to sin inverse x. Theta is equal to sin inverse x. Same process, if you write cos theta is equal to x, suppose cos pi by 3, how much? Means cos 60. Cos 60 equal to how much? 1 by 2. Therefore, cos inverse 1 by 2. Cos inverse 1 by 2 equal to how much? Pi by 3. This is the relation trigonometric function and inverse trigonometric function. Cos inverse 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 3. One more thing you see. Suppose question given like this. Question number 1. Sin inverse 1 by root 2. What is the value of this? Sin inverse 1 by root 2 means sin how much 1 by root 2? Pi by 4, 45. That means the answer is 5 by 4. Answer is 5 by 4. Number 2. Suppose it is given cos inverse root 3 by 2. Means cos how much is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30. 30 degree means pi by 6. Pi by 6. Because cos 30, cos 5 by 6 equal to how much? Root 3 by 2. If you know these values, then easily you can tell. Question will come like this. Find the value of cos inverse root 3 by 2. The answer is pi by 6. Question number 3. it is given tan inverse root 3. Tan inverse root 3 means tan how much root 3? Tan for what angle? This will be root 3. Tan 60 equal to root 3. Tan 60 means pi by 3. Since tan pi by 3 means tan 60 equal to root 3. Therefore, tan inverse root 3 is equal to pi by 3. Number 4. Cosec inverse 2. Cosec inverse 2. Cosec inverse 2 means for what angle of cosec is 2? Cosec 30 is 2. Cosec 30 means pi by 6. Since cosec pi by 6 means cosec 30 degree. Cosec 30 degree equal to how much? 1 by 2. Sorry, 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cosec 30 is 2. Means cosec pi by 6 equal to 2. Therefore, cosec inverse 2, if the question will come cosec inverse 2 means how much angle? Which angle? And cosec inverse 2 means the angle you have tried. For what angle? This will be 2 means pi by 6 means 30 degree. Let's go one more question. Question number 5. Question number 5, it is given cos inverse minus 1 by root 2. If the question is like this, so for what value of angle the answer is cos inverse minus 1 by root 2. You have to find out this one. For this question you have to write let cos inverse minus 1 by root 2. We know this, we don't know the value, let that be theta. The angle will be theta, no doubt. So this implies cos theta. Cos will go. Cos theta is equal to how much? Minus 1 by root 2. Cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Okay. That means cos theta. Cos how much is 1 by root 2? Cos pi by 4. And as it is given minus 1 by root 2. That means this will be minus cos pi by 4 you have to write. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. This minus and take it outside, minus cos pi by 4. Now, cos theta is equal to minus cos pi by 4. You have to write like this. Cos pi minus pi by 4. Cos 180 minus theta formula is minus cos theta. Because both sides should be same, then comparing both sides you will get theta is equal to pi minus pi by 4 means 4 pi minus 1, that means 3 pi by 4. So what is the value of theta? Theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. Okay. And second quadrant, pi minus pi by 4 is equal to minus cos theta. Write the formula here. Since cos 180 minus theta is equal to how much? Minus cos theta. Minus cos 180 minus theta is equal to how much? No, minus cos theta. Therefore, theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. One more question. 6 number question. It is given cos inverse minus 1 by 2. You have to find out this value. So let this be theta. Let this be theta. Therefore, cos theta will be how much? Cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Cos theta is equal to minus. Cos how much is 1 by 2? Cos 60 1 by 2. That means cos 60 degree means what? Pi by 3. Now, cos theta is equal to cos pi minus pi by 3. Pi by 3. Now, comparing both sides, theta is equal to 3 pi minus pi, that is 2 pi by 3. So, what is the value of theta? Theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. In this way, today I have completed a few questions from the chapter invertible function. Next day I will do more. Thank you for today's class.